Yeah, you know what? Screw it. I don't feel like doing shopping orders today. Hello, 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 and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. We are out here on a rainy and cold and sleety and just overall messy night of a Friday night here in southeastern Massachusetts. And we just took our first order, starting the day off with a DoorDash. Even though I was waiting in the Spark parking lot for about 45 minutes, nothing good came across my screen. So we're going to do some food and see where the night takes us. Of course, I'm a stay-at-home dad. My wife is finally done with work, so now it's my time to shine, see if I can make some money for my family. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's go up to 1,500 subscribers. Yada, yada, yada. Channel advertisement. I'm obligated to do it. But our first order is this. It's like $9.75 for like, I don't know, 3.5 miles, something like that. I'm waiting for my new camera mount to come in the mail because I broke my other one. It's said to bring a catering bag. It's 4 meals, though. I don't really see why, but whatever. Alden Park, it's a restaurant. Well, duh. So let's go get it. Now that order stayed as is, didn't go up at all, so I don't know why it said catering bag. It wasn't a big order, but whatever, doesn't really matter. Roads are starting to get a little slick outside right now. You can see there are some snow tracks in the road right now. Temperature showing is 35 degrees in my car. At various times I've heard sleet. So I don't like these conditions. My car doesn't drive great in them. I mean, for that matter, whose car does drive good in ice? I don't know of many. So we'll see. You know, we got to weigh that money versus safety game that is ever so important. But it's pushing 5 o'clock. Food delivery should pick up. Spark looks like it's going to be a bust tonight. Let's see what happens. All right, we just took our next order, another DoorDash. I just got into the parking lot of Walmart. And oh my god, I hate 4-way stops because literally nobody knows where to go. I just got in the parking lot of Walmart and there was a $17 for 10-mile one-item shop that I knew I had no business taking, but I honestly considered it for way too long. But then we got this one. It's Chili's, 12 for 5. It's not going to the best location, but I don't know. We'll make it work. It's cash flow at this point. So we just banged a Yui, as we like to say in New England.
I'll bang whoever I want to bang. If I want to bang a Yui, I'll bang a Yui.
Do a U-turn. And we're basically at Chili's. Our Chili's is pretty good, so not worried about it. Looks like it's going to be a dash. Do I have Uber on, actually? Typically, I'm going to be inundated with Uber orders by now, and I don't really recall hearing anything. Now, I know I just did a video saying I hate Uber. No, I'm online with Uber. This is the quietest Uber has been in a hot minute, as you young whippersnappers say. But enough ado. Let's get to Chili's skidoo. How you doing? Have a good night. Got it? That order actually went up to $14.50, so thank you for that, Mr. Customer. Up to about $25 on this shift. My bar on this shift is going to be a little bit lower. I'm honestly probably going to go $50 to $60 is my goal. Maybe be done by 7 o'clock, so that gives us 2 hours to make about another $30, which I would hope we can do that on a Friday night just because things are getting a little slick and I'm just not in the mood. And if you're not motivated, there's no point to be out here. But it is starting to get a little bit dark outside. You may have noticed that the quality in the last couple of videos has been higher. I am on my new DJI Action 5 Pro camera. And this is the first night shift I've done since I've got this, so I'm really curious how this feature is going to work out. It does have what's called a super night mode, which it just makes things look better at night. And if there's one thing the GoPro could not do, is actually record at night. So we're going to see if this actually does work. We're starting to get some offers in as we drive back. We got a 16 for 11 shop that goes 6 months. Nope, we're not going to do that because that goes in the wrong direction. But I'll be interested to see how the camera looks. Let me know if you got feedback in the comments below. I thought about doing a review on it, but this is a gig channel. People don't want to watch a camera review, so didn't waste my time on it. But maybe if you guys want it, maybe I will, if you're interested in getting cameras. But anywho, let's hopefully get something back to eliminate dead miles, but either way, I'll let you know what happens next. Where do we find ourselves other than the place that we live at, but never get orders from, Walmart? It's gonna be a DoorDash night, evidently. Just grabbed ourselves another one. Not the best order, no, there's nothing wrong with this. For a food order, this is the bread and butter of what you do. It's about a $7.50 for like 2.5 miles. It's the bread and butter of food orders. There's nothing wrong with it. Is it the most exciting, sexy order in the world? No. When you're used to getting $90 Spark orders, is this the best order in the world? No. And honestly, I'm still working through that process myself. There's someone I watch on TikTok, HB, I think her name is Heather, and she's a gig person, but she does Spark, and when Spark slows down, she goes back to DoorDash, and she related DoorDash to being your ex. Like, how do you go back to your ex? How do you go back to $7, $5, $10 orders when you were used to getting $50, $60, $70, $80 on the reg? It really is a transition, but when you're a multi-apper, you have to be able to make these transitions quickly if you're going to get any money. It is a little dark outside, and hopefully you can see me okay. It looks like it's coming up pretty good, so go job DJI. But through all of that incessant rambling that I was just doing, we're at Panera Bread, so let's go grab this. Alright, dropped that one off. It was a PIN number, so I didn't record it, but it's all set, nice and simple. I dropped their straw, so hopefully they're not upset about not having a straw. Most people find one. Not quite a dirty stack because I didn't get it at the same time. I'm not doing 2 orders at the same time, but we queued it up perfectly to where we had an order lined up. Papagino's Pizza Joint, $13 for 4.5 miles, something on that line. So good order for Grubhub. I don't do a lot of Grubhub, so I don't know. I just like being well-rounded app-wise. Looks like you can see me well too, so camera's doing a good job. So although it's down to 1080p, whatever. 1080p is good enough. So let's go to Papagino's. It's right up the street here. Basically, it's right across the street from where I am. And we're gonna wrap this up soon after because it's starting to get slick outside. We just dropped that one off, another PIN number order, and another customer that had his PIN number ready. Now, Grubhub is just off the Richter right now. We got a stack ready to go, and it's a great one. It's $14. It's already ready, only adding about 5 miles. So we got to drive 3 miles to the restaurant. We are going to get +6 on this. There was a Grubhub incentive where if you do 2 orders and you only skip less than 1, which I took these in succession, so that should count. We'll get an extra 6, 14 bucks. This will put me over the 50, close to the $60 I wanted to make tonight. It's starting to downpour, which you may be able to see in here. It's very puddly out from all the snow. And anybody who's watching this that has an astigmatism knows what it's like to work at night, drive at night when it's wet outside. If you think it's glare and you have perfect vision, when you have an astigmatism, it's 3 times worse. And it puts you in that boat as a gig worker where you have to worry about safety versus money. Now, a lot of you guys would say stop being a little bitch and just drive in the rain, and that's fine. I don't mind driving in the rain. I do mind driving in the rain at night because, again, I get visually overwhelmed when I can't see where I'm going. It's the difficulties of being a gig worker when you need money and the weather's bad. I mean, you gotta troop through it sometimes and get over your fears, but at the same time, your life is not more important than somebody's Taco Bell, or in this case, their burger or pizza. So that's our talking point for the video, is safety versus money. I talked about it before in another winter weather video. This isn't necessarily winter weather specific, but if you don't feel comfortable on the roads, whether it's wind, whether it's rain, whether it's snow, whether it's whatever it is, make good decisions. Take care of yourself. Now, I actually know where I am now, which is good. This lady's order has been ready, so I really want to get there quickly. I hate when people's orders are ready and I'm, 10 minutes away from the store, but we are just about there. Excellent. Have a great night.
Yeah, watch out that bottom steps.
All right. Appreciate it. You too, man. All right. That one was delivered. Another PIN number one. My gosh. I don't know. That's we had a DoorDash PIN and 2 Grubhub PINs in the same night. That is crazy. But we got our bonus. And I can't. We got this 33 for 19. Whenever I see high distance orders, I actually get excited, to be honest with you, because I'm hoping that one of them is going, because I live a good amount of miles down from the zone, so I always hope one of them is going that way. Not to be the case here. I don't know. I said that was going to be my last one, but I'm known to be a bullshitter. We got a promo pay shipped order on the screen. It's 6:30, so that means we'd have an hour to do it. It's $22 going 13 miles. I do want to talk about shipped, but I don't know if today is the day for it. That one, absolutely not. So, yeah, you know what? Screw it. I don't feel like doing shopping orders today, so I think we're gonna call it here, guys. A Friday night, terrible weather, slick weather. I can't see where I'm going. This is what we made using just DoorDash and Grubhub. How many videos in my library am I only doing food delivery? Not many of them, but sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. I got some genuinely exciting things here on the channel coming up, and I'm not just saying that. I genuinely have some really cool things coming up here in the next month or so. Really look forward to bringing you guys along for the ride with me. Looking to get up to 1,500 subscribers. We're near 1,400. I'm setting the bar higher because we're pushing the bar higher, and I'm ever so grateful for that. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.
Lie detector test determined that was a lie.
All right, I lied. We got bonus footage here today. I was driving home. I always take the long way home. Makes me want to take a back road. I know there's a country song mixed in there somewhere.
And it makes me want to take a back road. Makes me want to take the long way home.
But just to see what I get. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Today we got $26 going 13 miles. I did forget to screenshot it because I suck, but I wasn't really expecting it. But we got 2 stops. We got Friendly's, which is Technically, it's Man versus Fries, which is a virtual kitchen out of Friendly's, which if you're not from New England, you have no idea what that is. And then we have a local pizza joint. This is as close to a unicorn as you can get in this situation. So let's go run and grab this. Friendly's is right here. I will almost guarantee this should be ready because nobody goes here on a Friday night. My God, when you are starving, nothing smells more delicious than pizza place chicken tenders. My God, I was praying that order canceled the entire drive back. We got 7 minutes, 2.5 miles to the next one, and then we are done this time. All right, that one's dropped off, paid 26 bucks. Really weird address, but this is our updated total. Later.